Oil has breached its support at 85.5 crucial levels and now it is trading bearish. Let's see what is going to happen today. Likewise, NG has seen in fact $7.8. Those who recall my weekly analysis, I told you I am expecting a drop. Do not go by the news. Do not trade anything, but it can trade bearish. Both of them trading sharply, dropping sharply. Now what is going to happen today, which position you should take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. First we'll look into oil followed with NG. Do watch till the end, do note down the levels and do listen to it carefully. Let's start the day. On the hourly charts, oil has seen a resistance at 87 levels and since then it is seeing a good waterfall drop. Possibility exists that we may see a third and large candle which might take it till towards 84.5 and 84 levels. Yes, below 85.5 there is going to be bearishness. It has breached the previous lows there and indicates that there is bearishness. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI looking downwards. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, if you see 87 is the level. Beyond this, it has seen a fall and possibly the third red candle could be the sharp red candle which might appear, which might bring it till towards 84 levels. See, since long I have been telling you that my target for oil is going to be 80, the first target, and in fact this time it can breach below. We can see 75, 74 levels before it tries to bounce back, as I shared in my weekly analysis. It is trying to achieve those levels, but let's not be overconfident on that. But right now for the day, till the time it trades below 87, you can remain bearish. See, first red candle, second red candle, and this is enlarged in shape. The third red candle may appear which might take it till towards 84 and then a bounce back can happen. Directional movement, bearish, it is divergent. Stochastic is again entering into oversold zone. MACD is divergent and it is bearish. RSI is looking downwards and this is again bearish here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see, it is coming out of the narrowing triangle and yes, this is breached the support there. Till the time it trades below 86, possibility for it to drop further exists, and below 85.5 definitely my next target is going to be 84.2 and below that we can see it dropping for 82 and 80 levels. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold. The MACD has crossed over and this is divergent here. This is still showing bearishness. RSI is looking downwards. And on the 4-hour charts, likewise, it is coming out of this consolidation. This is the first red candle. This is the first red candle and I will expect a follow-up or couple of follow-up candles to be watchful. Till the time it trades below 87 today, you can remain short. You can expect it to drop till 84, 82 levels. In fact, below levels are also possible. Be cautious of 87. Till the time it trades below 87, one can remain short. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD has just crossed over. It is divergent and it is bearish. RSI is looking downwards. On the daily charts, you can find out, see, first thing is lower highs. Second thing is you should watch out for this 85.5 levels. Very strong support exists here. Below 85 levels, definitely it will call for a very good drop which might take it till towards first 84.2, next 83.5, next 82 and then 80 levels. Take note of these levels and you can remain short and you can take your positions accordingly. Remember, the next candle on this chart is yet to appear and possibly if it appears, if it opens flat and gives you a sharp drop, it might take it below 84 also before it tries to bounce back. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic is oversold, trying to trade or come back again on the oversold zone. The MACD is divergent and bearish and the RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, for the day you can remain long short till the time it is below 87. Point number 1. Point number 2, if you see it trading above 87, yes, you can go long, but then the next resistance is at 88 and then 89.2 and 90.2. Be careful and only long entry is recommended if you see it trading above 87. Very clear. On the downside, be careful of 85.5 Yes, if you see it trading, rather I will say, till the time it trades below 87, every rise is good to remain short, and then first target is still towards 84.2, then 83.5 is the next target, then in fact it can drop for 82 levels. Be cautious, take your positions accordingly. Below 82 we may look forward to 80.5 and 80 levels. Take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at NG. And yes, if you want to learn this art of taking profitable trades, taking right entries at the right exits, you can join my mentorship batch. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, lifetime support is what you get. Definitely learning the art will help you become profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram ID, Telegram channel ID, and Gmail IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can become a supporting patron. The patron page link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at NG. NG has seen a good drop earlier on the early chart, 7.8 levels done. It is trying to consolidate, trying to cool down the indicators. Let it decide a direction below $8 levels. Again, you can expect that we may see it hitting 7.8 and below levels. Directional movement is extremely bearish. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is bearish. It is trying to converge here. RSI is oversold on the early charts. Oversold, yes, it can trade oversold. If it can trade overbought, it can trade oversold also. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, see, this is a fall pattern and the skies on the downside are wide open. Only bullishness you can expect. If it trades beyond 8.2 levels, then you can expect that it may try to rise till towards 8.35, 8.4 and 8.5 levels. Directional movement, you can see directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is trying to bounce back from the oversold zone. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold. Possibility of a bounce back exists. Look at the 3-hour charts. Failing to drop below $8 levels, this candle indicates that there is possibility for it to go back till towards 8.2, and then a drop from there can be expected. Directional movement is extremely bearish. It can start to converge a little before it tries to drop again. Stochastic is oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is extremely divergent and extremely bearish. RSI is oversold here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts, 4 red candles in line. Now see the size of this candle and the body size. It has seen a good strong sharp tail, but the body size is minuscule, indicating that the bulls tried to pull it back, the buyers tried to pull back the price up, and yes, it is not willing to sustain below 8. So be cautious, and yes, you can take a long entry if you see it trading only above 8.2 levels. 8.2, 8.22 levels. If it trades above 8.2, 8.22 levels, you can expect 8.35, 8.4 levels as the next resistance. And beyond that, it can be looked forward to a little reversal. This is not a reversal but a retracement, and this can come back to 8.6. Be watchful of 8.6. Beyond 8.6, we can see a little bullishness. So yes, this is the only level where you can go long, that is 8.2. Below $8 levels, you can expect more drop. Directional movement extremely bearish here. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is extremely divergent and bearish here. This is trading in the extreme red zone. RSI is oversold there. So yes, be cautious of $8 levels. Below 8, it will call for more bearishness. This is clear here. Now look at the daily chart. See, I touched upon this point that people were trading on the Nord Stream 1 halt there, and people were expecting that there is a news that Gazprom has stopped the gas supplies to Europe and it may call for NG prices to shoot up. I told you in my weekly analysis, do not trade as per the news, because if everybody thinks the same and you are in a buy position, definitely it will fall. And see what has happened. We have seen a good fall in NG. And see, NG in fact this time has come out of this channel. I also told you that, see, it is, look at the delta there of previous highs and this highs, it is diminished, and now it is trying to take a drop precisely from $9 levels, 9.2 levels. We have seen a good drop this week. Below 9 we have seen a good drop, and see, now the next support level which it might try to come back is till towards 7.5. Be watchful of this, and in fact it can try to drop a little till towards $7 levels if it continues to trade below 8. But look at the candle size there. This is the third, I can say second red candle after the weekend, and be careful, it has left a tail out there, possibility of it to drop again exists. But at the same time, see the Bollinger Band width, it was narrowed, and it with a sharp drop it is definitely going to increase the Bollinger Band width, and hence yes, it may confine its movement within $8 levels this day. Today probably it may try to bounce back a little. Be careful of 8.6, and from there again it may try to drop. So today probably it may try to retrace a little before it tries to drop again. The directional movement is extremely divergent, extremely bearish, stochastic oversold, the MACD divergent and bearish, and RSI looking downwards. Considering this, only short entry, only sell entry is below $8 levels, where you can expect it to hit 7.9 to 7.8 levels, and below 7.8 it is going to give you further fall till towards 7.65 and 7.5 levels. On the upside, above 8.2 you can go long for 8.35, 8.4, and then 8.5 and 8.6 will come into picture. 8.6 is going to be a stronger resistance. So till then, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. On the upside and downside, trade with caution in between 8 and 8.2, and take your trades accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.